Hey guys, Thunder E here, and today we're checking out the Surface Neo versus the Galaxy Fold. Let's jump in. All right, so Microsoft stunned everyone bringing out the Surface Neo. It is their first two dual screen foldable smartphone, smart Android, whatever you want to call it. It was shocking and it looks amazing. Now, the Surface Neo comes with a dual 5.6-inch LCD displays. It also has this really unique hinge that allows you to flip and fold both ways. And this is powered by Intel's next-gen processor. They didn't give us specifics on that processor, but it looks really cool. Now, the Galaxy Fold itself, we know how hot that device is. It comes with a foldable 7.2-inch display. And of course, this is an OLED display, and we've seen some gaming on there. We've got some stuff on there. It's powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, and some really great performance. Plus, it does have a screen on the outside of the foldable device that of course allows you some quick access. Now, what are the differences we see here between the Surface Neo and the Galaxy Fold? I think they bring in two very unique different aspects of what you want to do. Now, with the Galaxy Fold, you have a device here that opens up from just one screen to two in a sense, and that gives you more real estate. So if you're watching movies and content, it looks really nice. Plus, ability to play games, and definitely go check out my Call of Duty mobile gameplay on there. It absolutely is great to have that big expanse, and when you're done, you close it up and you get back to doing whatever you want to do on the go. While the Surface Neo brings something completely different, because you know Microsoft is all about productivity. The ability to have those two screens to do whatever you want to, whether you're watching Netflix on one, checking out your email on the other, or using both screens at the same time for the same applications is really, really nice. I mean, think about it. Microsoft has an Android device. That should blow your mind right there completely. Now, the Surface Neo is going to be launching sometime holiday next year. It's a long time from them, but I wanted to get your minds on this device because I think it's unique, it's also very different, and it brings something to this ecosystem. So I can just imagine what both devices will look next year with the Neo, as well as also the next Galaxy Fold 2 when that comes out. Now, Microsoft also announced a bunch of other devices which we'll be checking out once they come out. First of all, the Surface Pro X, that is really cool. Powered by a chip that was co-produced by, of course, Microsoft and Qualcomm. It's the SQ1 chip, which is a powerful chip. It's got always on LTE, all day battery life. You've got a removable hard drive. It is slick. It is the coolest Surface I've seen in a while. And that, type cover keyboard with the pen docked in there, truly amazing. Something you want to check out. And I think that's really cool. But anyway, guys, give me your thoughts on the Surface Neo and the Galaxy Fold. Which do you like better? Are you a two-screen device person, or are you a foldable device person? Leave your thoughts down below, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.